In this video, we'll learn articles. Articles belong to a group called determiners. We use articles before singular common noun which are countable. जो गिन सकते हैं उनके पहले हम आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसे एक किताब, एक स्टैम्प, अ बुक, अ स्टैम्प, and not before uncountable noun as sugar or oil. Now there are two types of article. Definite article is the, and indefinite article a oblique an. Now we'll see where we are using indefinite article a or an. Article a is used before a word beginning with a consonantal sound. यदि कोई शब्द की शुरुआत कॉन्सोनेंटल साउंड से होती है तो उसके पहले हम अ का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, जैसे अ फिश फ साउंड, अ पेन प साउंड, अ यूनिवर्सिटी य साउंड. एंड एन इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ वर्ड बिगिनिंग विथ अ वॉवेल साउंड. यदि शब्द का उच्चारण की शुरुआत वॉवेल साउंड से होती हो तो एन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, जैसे एन एनिमी, एन अव, एन ऑक्सीजन मास्क, or a sound, oxygen mask, a sound. Now we'll see where we are using indefinite article. To introduce something for the first time, यदि किसी चीज़ को पहली बार हम उल्लेख कर रहे हो तो हम indefinite article का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. I purchased a TV, a TV. To classify something, a cow gives milk. Here cow is a general class, so a cow. He is a scientist. Descriptive class, he is a Picasso. A particular class, to mean only one or anything. I need a knife, I need only one knife, so a knife. I want to sit in an easy chair with a good book. In any easy chair with any good book. Now we'll see uses of definite article the. To introduce a noun that has already been mentioned. जो पहले इस्तेमाल हो चुका है नाउन, उसी का दोबारा अगर इस्तेमाल करना हो तो हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. आई सॉ अ मूवी, बट नाउ मूवी, दिस नाउन वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम, सो द मूवी वॉज इंटरेस्टिंग. फॉर स्पेसिफिक रेफरेंस, मेक द पेमेंट्स टू द सर्वेंट. स्पेसिफिक पेमेंट टू स्पेसिफिक सर्वेंट्स. Before a noun followed by a describing phrase or clause. The book that was stolen was never found. I am talking about a specific book that was stolen. So the book. Before some adjective used as noun. The strong must never bully the weak. Here strong and weak, these are the adjective, but here we are using it as noun. So the strong and the weak. Before some proper nouns such as ships, trains, mountains, large hotels, building, river, geographical or physical features, etc. For example, the Uno, the Titanic, the Taj Mahal, the Yamuna, the Rajdhani Express, the Deccan Plateau, the Indian Ocean, etc. Before the nouns of nationalities, musical instruments, and holy books. For example, the French, the Indian, these are the nationalities. The piano, the flute, these are the musical instrument. The Gita, the Bible, these are the holy books. Definite article the is used before superlative adjectives and adverbs. She is the smartest girl in the class. Here smartest is the superlative form of adjective, so the smartest. She did the most. Here most is working as an adverb, so the most. Before the ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the sixth, the next, etc. Now we'll see the omission of article, where we are not using articles. So these are the tips to remember. Before proper noun, we are not using any article unless it is common. जब तक कोई कॉमन नाउन नहीं हो तब तक आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है. प्रॉपर नाउन के पहले हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाएंगे. शेक्सपियर रोट मैनी प्लेज. हियर Shakespeare is a proper noun, so before it there is no use of article. Now, in the second sentence, Kalidas is known as the Shakespeare of India. Here, the proper noun Shakespeare is used as a common noun, that Kalidas is known as a great poet. Before plural in general reference, cows eat grass. Here, cows. This noun is plural, so before it we are not using any article. Before the place in general reference, we go to school. School is a place, so before it we are not using any article. So to practice article, you need to read the passages, underline the articles, solve many worksheets and keep on practicing. After all, करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान. Keep watching the videos. Goodbye. Have a nice time.